This bird here, she's still here because the other friend is hanging over there and is already dead because of women synthetic hair. Those hair you call wigs. Then there are threats to birds and all flying birds. In fact, it is a problem because it entangles the legs. When a bird lands on a plant, on a tree, it entangles on a branch of a tree and the bird cannot even fly. And this one now is here, just waiting for the friend. It goes, looks for food and comes back here, checking just for the partner to come and wake up. And it's already dead. It's been here for like 3 days. It died here. I didn't know. I just came here and then I confirmed that it's now hanging on the tree because of that human synthetic hair.